Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to unhide apps on iPhone. Let's say you mistakenly took some apps to your hidden section, or you have hidden some apps and you want to take them out of the hidden space. This is how you can actually find and unhide any apps on iPhone. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you're on your iPhone home screen. As you can see, this is the iPhone home screen. So I want you to swipe left. I want you to swipe left to the last page. So once you swipe left to the last page, it will take you to this app library. I hope you can see my screen. So I hope you can see my screen here. So this is the app library. So what I want you to do here, I want you to scroll to the extreme bottom. So as you can see, once you scroll down to the extreme bottom, you are going to see, if you check the bottom right corner, you are going to see one square shape over there. That square shape, that is the hidden section of your iPhone. This is where all your hidden apps are being kept. So I want you to tap on this shape. Once you tap on this shape and put your Face ID to load up your hidden apps for you. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on it and put in your Face ID, so you can see it has successfully shown us our hidden apps. As you can see, I have 3 apps in my hidden section. So how do I take these apps out of this section? Because that is why we are here. We are here to take out this. Once we've gotten the apps that we are hidden on our iPhone, so we want to take them out. So how do we take them out of this hidden section? So what do? You want to tap on any app that you want to take out, that you want to unhide. Once you tap on that app, you want to tap and hold on the app. Once you tap and hold on any app, it will ask you to add to home screen. What do you want to do? You want to add this to home screen. Once you get, let me take it again. Once you get to the hidden section of your iPhone, following the process I showed you earlier, then you want to tap and hold on the app. Once you tap and hold on the app, it will show you this page. On this page, what do you want to do here? It will ask you, do you want to delete this app? Do you want to remove the Face ID? Do you want to share app? Or do you want to add to home screen? We want to add this app back to our iPhone home screen. That's what we're going to be clicking on. So once you tap on that, it will ask you for confirmation. Are you sure you want to unhide this app? You just want to tap on yes, unhide app. Once you tap on unhide app, it will be taken out from the hidden section back to our home screen section. As you can see, this YouTube was hidden before, but now it is out of the hidden section. So guys, this is how you can actually take out any hidden app on your iPhone back to your home screen.